Alright, welcome back everyone for this day 8 van build. Finally, as you can see, I got the Cedar tongue and groove up on the ceiling. It did take a while from the point of purchase to actually getting it up there. So I'm just going to walk you through this timeline a little bit to show you how I got here. First thing I had to do, of course, was go purchase it. And after purchasing it and bringing it home, open it up, I realized there were a little bit of instructions there. Oh, there are some be prepared instructions, and also they're saying to take these all out of the packages and let them breathe and adjust to the humidity in this area. So I think we'll be back here in a day or two. It says allow 72 hours for the boards to adjust to humidity. So after letting it breathe a bit and getting it adjusted to the humidity of this area, and after further research, I decided I wanted to put in a max air fan for ventilation. So the ceiling got put on hold for a little while. And if you watched that max air fan video, you saw I had recently dislocated my shoulder, snowboarding accident. Binding snapped in half, so I don't know if it was all my fault. But anyways, it's better. It did put off about 5 weeks being able to lift my shoulder above my head, but I was able to. As soon as I felt good, I attacked the Cedar. There were a few things I had to do before. I wanted to remove the dome light in the middle. I didn't think it would look very good up there. I also had to reapply the wool, had to rethread the nylon moisture resistant rope, put the wool back up, and that came out all right. Also had to stuff some nooks and crannies to where the max air fan wiring came down. And yeah, after that was all said and done, I was able to attack the ceiling with the tongue and groove Cedar. I'll just show you how that came out. So these are all 8 feet long, so I need to come down to about 82 inches. Definitely want to get this first one straight. Everything's going to feed off of that. Test here. Can use that as kind of a level. It's right up against it. Got the first one down. All right, now to start lining up the tongue and groove. A little bit of a challenge with the wool peeping out here. Tuck that back in. Okay, that's being held down there. 2 down, probably about 13 to go. When shadows grow longer, the sunsets seem shorter, blue skies get hazy, cloudy and gray, frost on the pumpkin, rivers start freezing, wind whistles warnings, all through the pines, Alright, now time for the trim piece. Pretty sure all I gotta do is fit it up, mark it off, and cut. So yeah, overall I'm pretty happy with the way the cedar tongue and groove came out. Smells amazing. Starting to feel like I'm in a little cabin for that's what I was going for. And yeah, I think the next thing I'm gonna have to attack is obviously the walls and, you know, maybe a little bit of furniture. So you have to tune in on the next one. One last thing, I know we've been talking about the cedar, but I picked this up from a company called Van Right out of Utah. And before I put up this shield here for the fan, I just taped down the magnets it came with. Real simple. Sound deadening, keeps the heat in. Magnets up. Pretty slick. That's a wrap for this one. We'll catch you all on the next one.